In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion AI work faster. If you've ever felt like Notion AI is slow or off target, the fastest fix is giving it the right context and setting up your workspace so AI can do more of the heavy lifting. Let's start with your prompts. Be specific. Instead of asking for sales numbers, ask for Q1 2025 APAC sales performance analysis. Adding time frame and region focuses the response and cuts down on follow-up. Always include 3 components in every prompt: the type of content you want, the specific topic, and the desired format. For example, create a project plan for the website redesign in paragraph form with a brief timeline, or draft an email to the team in bullet points summarizing last week's milestones. For bigger tasks, don't try to do everything in one message. Use follow-up prompts to refine the output. And for very long tasks, ask the AI to track its work outside the chat, like in a linked page or table, to reduce errors and keep progress organized. Next, set up your workspace so Notion AI has structure to work with. Create a single master prompt that defines how your workspace is organized, your database architecture, and your preferred writing and formatting style. Think of it as your AI playbook. Once it's in place, your future prompts can be shorter and still produce consistent results. Build database templates that include AI blocks, such as summary or action item blocks, so every new entry automatically comes with the right AI tools attached. This saves time and ensures nothing gets missed. Also, organize your connected apps. If you're pulling from Google Drive or similar tools, label documents clearly and use consistent naming conventions so Notion AI can find what it needs quickly. Finally, make use of Notion's specialized AI features. Add AI properties directly in your databases to generate video titles, summaries, and keywords inside each entry. No copy-pasting required. Use AI blocks with the / command to grab quick summaries or action items from a page. And don't forget the spacebar shortcut. Describe the table you need, and let AI generate it for you instantly. When you need complete answers without hunting across apps, connect the right tools. AI connectors can bring together information from Google Drive and other sources, giving you a unified response inside Notion. Put these pieces together: clear prompts, a smart workspace foundation, and the right AI tools, and you'll notice Notion AI responds faster, with fewer edits and better outcomes.